Good morning, everyone. This is my first full day here in Sepilok, Sandakan. Oh, where am I? Yeah, at Sepilok Nature Resort. And I'm off to explore this area. There's a few places that I want to go. Look at this. It was raining heavily around 3 o'clock in the morning, and now the weather looks good. From this Sepilok Nature Resort, it's a walkable distance to there's a Rainforest Discovery Center and Sun Bear and Orangutan Rehabilitation Center, something like that. So since it's walking distance, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna walk. Okay, let's go to the rainforest first, because there's for the orangutan there's a feeding time at 3 o'clock, and now it's only 9 plus in the morning. So let's go to the rainforest and see what's there. Okay, I'm making my way to RDS, Rainforest Discovery Center, and okay, so the Rainforest Discovery Center is a forest reserve with bird watching, flowers, and there's a trip-top walkway. So it's a must when you come here, and recommended the Sabah Tourism Board. So let's go. Okay, I believe I am here. Yes, I am here. So it is quite easy. Rainforest Discovery Center. This way to RDS. Rainforest Skywalk. Ooh, this looks nice. Borneo's longest canopy walkway. Okay, let's go. There's a B&B over here if you're gonna stay. 200 meters. That's good. Much closer than to the rainforest if you want to stay at the Sepilok B&B. Let's go. Here it is. I have arrived. Okay. Here we are. Yay! Okay, it's a good walk. About maybe 10-15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes walk, I guess. They're open every day from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, here it is. Sepilok Rainforest Discovery Center, RDS. Okay, let's buy the tickets and go in. Okay, so I bought the ticket. It costs 7 ringgit, and you must wear this. They give you a bangle and a map. Oh, Kabili monster. Ooh, must be a very big tree then. That's what they call it, a monster. So let's make our way up. There's a gazebo, visitors building I can see. There's cafe, canopy walk, visitors building, exhibition, plant discovery garden. Okay, So the ticket costs 7 ringgit and is valid for the full day. And they open from 8 to 5. Which way do I want to walk? I think the visiting will be last. Let's go to the canopy walk. Canopy walk is 190 meters. Well, let's do this. Let's go. Security hut. And where's the security? Don't know, don't care. I like this. You can actually sit here. You can even have a picnic, I guess, over here. And just look up. Ah! I see the canopy over there. Is it the canopy? Yeah, I guess so. Okay. Alright, let's go. Oh, there's a zip line over here. Oops. Do you see a zip line over here? But it's not open yet, of course. It is too early. Toilet. Canopy walkway. Yep. That's where I'm going. If you saw, there's not that many people. Ah! That's the walkway. Okay. You can see Lakeside Trail, Hornbill Tower, Drongo House. Where should I go? Where is this? Rainforest Skywalk, yes. Oh, there's a cafe over there. Toilet, Kabili Theatre. Not too high. There's a cafe over there for you to chill. What can you see here? The gibbons is the fastest. The gibbon is the fastest primate in Sabah Rainforest. Okay, that was where I'm from, and this is where I'm going. Sunbird shelter over there. It's nice. All the tree. Oh, that is a very big tree as well, very tall tree. Come on, gibbons, show yourself out. When you come here, I suggest you wear. Remember, first of all, to bring a insect repellent, which I forget, and you should wear, definitely cover up your sleeve and your leg. Ooh, this is quite a steep down. Okay, slowly. It's good that they give you information as you walk. The Sabah Grey Langur was seen near the Rainforest Skywalk. It is so rarely seen here. It is common in Tabin. Look, blue color, so nice, blue color. Oh, you can go all the way up. Okay, I shall make my way up. Let's go all the way to the top. Slowly. Oh, is it closed? Oh, it's not closed. Then we can continue our walk. There's some more over there. But let's go up first. Slowly. Okay. Are those fruits? What fruit is that? Okay, everyone. This is the view from up here. As I catch my breath. Where is the monster tree? If it's that monstrous, shouldn't I be able to see it from here? Or maybe it's further in. Kabili monster. Oh, okay. Maybe I should be walking the other way. From the cafe, I saw the word Kabili. So, let's see. Later then. Okay. Look. That's where you saw me. Oh, was I there? I think I was there. I'll be going there later. Okay. Nice. Time to make our way down. Okay. There's another viewing tower up here at the other side. I just got down from one and now it's the other one over here. The trees here are huge and super tall. It's so tall. Look at this tree. Look how high is it? Look. I do not want to be dropping my camera over here. Binturong bear cat is one of the cutest animals in Sabah. Oh, really? Okay, where are the animals? Are they hibernating or something? Oh man, which way should I go? Oh, the skywalk is really huge. Spans out to, oh, there's another tower over there. Then maybe, perhaps I should go to the right. Okay, I have reached the shelter, Tarap shelter. So this is where you can take a break if you want to. But it looks like I've come to the end of the skywalk over here. And I think I'm going towards where the Kabili tree, the monster tree. Okay, now I just need to know which way do I go. Okay, I don't know which turn I make, but I end up over here. No food or drinks. Didn't say no camera. Okay, let's see what's this. It's a hornbill. I guess these are all the birds that you're able to find. Maybe I didn't look hard enough, but that is a lot. Sabah's well-known orchids. Orchids of the RDC. Ooh, how crocodile. Oh, crocodile and the eggs. Yeah, there are crocodiles here for sure. You are in Borneo. Snakes. The type of snakes they keep here. Thank you for not touching the display. Look at the snakes. There's so many. Oh, look at this. Dog-tooth cat snake. Sumatran cobra. Okay, I do not want to be facing any of that. Bird nest harvesting cave model. Oh, interesting. So this like the bird nest, then they bring it down. Interesting. Okay, can I go out here? Yes, I can go out here. Plant discovery. Isn't it weird that it's outside is much quiet than the inside of a building? Okay. Oops. Where do I go? Okay. Off I go. I'm done with Rainforest Discovery Center, RDC. Let's go off and find what else we can look for here in Sepilok.